completes the PCB manufacturing process. Now let's learn how PCB assembly is done. In the PCB assembly part, electronic components are assembled with automated machines that are placed components on the surface of printed circuit board. This is done by picking the assembly components and placing it on the bare PCB. After placing the assembly parts, the TST parts are placed and soldering through the holes using pick and place machines. Next process is SMT reflow soldering. Here, a solder paste is used for temporarily attach one or thousand of tiny electrical components to their contact pads for controlled heat. Now an automatic visual inspection of printed circuit board is done. Here, camera autonomously scans the device under test for both failure and quality defects. If the defect is found, then hand soldering is done and also parts are repaired. And now cleaning is done to make the PCB shiny and clear. Finally, PCB quality control and final inspection is done to meet the customer and delivery requirement. Final process involves the packing and delivery from the warehouse. So this is how PCB SMT or PCB assembly is done. Here are the few samples of PCB from the next PCB. Hope you like this video. If you liked, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.